Good evening and welcome to our restaurant. I'll be your server tonight.
Good evening. Thank you. I have made a reservation under the name Mr. Jackson.
Hi. It's our first time here, and we're so excited to try the food.
Wonderful. Here are our menus. Can I start you off with some drinks to begin?
I'd love a glass of the house red wine. Can you tell me more about it?
Certainly. Our house red is from a local vineyard. It has rich, bold flavors.
That sounds perfect. I'll have a glass of that.
And I'll take sparkling water with lemon. I'm driving tonight, so I'll stick with non-alcoholic.
Absolutely, a wise choice. I'll get those drinks for you right away.
Here we are. One glass of the house red, and sparkling water with lemon. Have you had a chance to look at the menu, or do you need a few more minutes to decide?
We're ready to order. For the main course, I'll have the grilled salmon with the seasonal vegetables.
We have a mix of roasted asparagus, baby carrots, and sautéed spinach.
That sounds delightful. I'll stick with that.
Okay. Well noted. And for you, sir?
I'll go for the medium steak with the garlic mashed potatoes. I heard your steaks are fantastic.
Excellent choice. Our steaks are indeed one of our specialties. Would you like any sauces with that? I'll get that started for you right away. Anything else I can bring for you right now?
No. That's all for now. Thank you.
Here you go, the steak topped with fresh tomatoes, basil, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. Enjoy, sir.
Thank you. This looks delicious.
And grilled salmon with seasonal vegetables for Madam.
Everything looks perfect. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to let me know. How was everything? Did you enjoy your meals?
It was fantastic. The salmon was cooked to perfection.
Yes, the steak was incredible. Thank you. I'm so glad to hear that. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please. Thank you.
No dessert for me. But a coffee, please.
I would like a classic creme brulee, please.
The creme brulee for madam and the coffee for you, sir. Wonderful. Thank you. Could you please bring the check? Here you go. Take your time. Whenever you're ready, I'll be here to process the payment. Thank you both for dining with us tonight. I hope you have a wonderful evening.
Thank you. The service was excellent.
Yes, we had a great time. We hope to see you again soon.